Howdy folks, Dave from Bigfoot Videos here. And as you know, I yesterday through the evening I had some sounds that I could not understand what kind they were. Well, tonight I brought a tape recorder with me to see if I could tape these so-called sounds, screams, howls, growls, whatever. Well, anyways, where they were coming from, I had, the louder ones, and then the ones in the distance, because they were communicating what they were. I still have no idea. But I'm going back out there, or I've gone back out there, and I am going to turn on my tape recorder. I'm not going to start a fire. I'm not going to turn the lights on. I'm just going to sit there and be as quiet as possible. Let them come to me. So mind, that's what I did. Found me a nice spot. I came, probably maybe another 100 yards closer to the sound that I heard in the first place, hoping that maybe, they would communicate again. Well, like I said, I didn't turn the lights on or anything, so I don't know exactly what time it was. So time on that. But all of a sudden, lo and behold, there was a sound. And it sounded exactly like the one that I heard last night. Now, bear in mind, knowing that they were communicating with each other, the one was off in a distance, but it was more behind me this time. It wasn't in front of me to the side. It was to the side and behind me, communicating back. And I thought to myself, holy shit, what I get into, is a son of a bitch going to attack me from behind or what? Well, and I'll worry about that when it gets here, I guess. I do have a flashlight, and I do have a gun to protect myself only. And I'm going to sit here and see if I can capture these sounds on my tape recorder system. So anyways, you'll hear me click the recorder on, and I don't hear anything whatsoever on this thing. So, as they were howling, so I gotta get better equipment, that's all there is to it. But I turned it on about the 4:17, 4:18 minute mark of me talking with you. Hopefully you can hear it. I can't hear it. I don't hear nothing. I gotta get better equipment. That's all there is to it. There are nice, clear vocal sounds. And I just can't put my finger on what it sounds like. That's all I can tell you. That's the best I can tell you, because I don't know. If I knew, boy, oh boy, it'd nice. So, I'm going to let you guys go for now. I just thought I'd let you know strange sounds out there, and I'll tell you what, anybody that was not a Bigfoot researcher, let me tell you, it's kind of spooky sitting out here in the dark, listening for sounds, and these sounds pop up for people. Matter of fact, you can almost scare yourself just sitting here, pitch black, no one to talk to. Stuff goes racing through your mind like you wouldn't believe. Hey, I'll let you go. Thanks for listening. God bless.